Hi guys, today we're going to learn about one of my absolute favorites, prepositional phrases. So a prepositional phrase can tell how, what kind, how much, or where. They're directional words. Prepositional phrases begin with a preposition, and common prepositions are in, over, on, unto, of, by, with. This is not an exhaustive list. There are a whole bunch more. Look for directional words. And a prepositional phrase ends with a noun or pronoun, and that is what we call the object of the preposition. The words in between the preposition and its object are part of the prepositional phrase. So in this sentence, the dog ran down the street with a ball in its mouth. There are 3 prepositional phrases in this sentence. Each phrase starts with a preposition, ends with the object of the preposition, and may or may not have words in between. See if you can find all 3 prepositional phrases. The first one is down the street. This is our preposition. This is our object of the preposition. So down is our directional word. Street, down what? The street. That's our object. Phrase number 2. With a ball. With is the preposition. Ball is the object. And our third prepositional phrase, in its mouth. Here's our preposition in, and the object of the preposition is mouth. A bit of a clue to help you realize if you have a prepositional phrase or not, you could essentially take out all of the prepositional phrases and the sentence will still make sense. It might not be as interesting. The dog ran. It's not as interesting as the dog ran down the street with a ball in its mouth. But if you remove the prepositional phrases, you will never have the subject or the verb inside a prepositional phrase. So removing them, the sentence still should make sense. There's also not a limit to the number of prepositional phrases that a sentence may have. It may have 0, and it may have an infinite amount. Prepositional phrases may also appear at the beginning, middle, or ends of sentences. Again, a sentence may have 0 prepositional phrases. It may have 10. It just depends on the way that the author has put the words together. So let's look at this sentence. With a gleam in his eye, the little dog buried the ball in the backyard of the neighbor. You are on the lookout for prepositional phrases. There are 4 in this sentence. They are with a gleam in his eye, in the backyard of the neighbor. Those are all 4. If we did effectively remove these prepositional phrases from the sentence, we are left with the little dog buried the ball. We're left with subject, simple subject dog, simple predicate buried, direct object buried what? Ball.